Hello, language lovers. Welcome to our journey into the world of the Czech language. Today, we'll dive into the beauty and richness of this fascinating language, which is not only full of history, but also a key to understanding the culture and traditions of the Czech Republic. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey to the heart of Europe? The Czech Republic, known for its picturesque cities, historical landmarks, and rich culture, is the perfect place for discovering a new language. Today, we'll delve into the world of the Czech language. We'll learn basic phrases that will help you communicate with locals and enhance your travel experiences. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. We'll start with simple greetings like ahoj for hello and dobrý den for good day. These phrases will open doors to friendly conversations and new friendships. We'll go over some delicious food vocabulary. Czech cuisine is full of flavors and traditions, and we'll learn how to order some of the most popular dishes like svíkova, beef sirloin and cream sauce, or nedlíky, dumplings. And we'll even learn how to navigate Czech public transportation. From trams to buses, you'll know how to get wherever you need to go. By the end, you'll be prepared with practical phrases for your next Czech adventure. Whether you're planning a visit to Prague, Brno, or the charming villages, you'll be confident in your ability to communicate. So grab your notebook and let's get started. Get ready to impress the locals, learn how to ask for directions, order food, and introduce yourself to new friends. We're excited to guide you on this amazing journey of learning the Czech language. Let's begin! First things first, let's master some basic Czech greetings. These will come in handy whether you're ordering coffee or asking for directions. Ahoj is an informal and friendly way to say hello. For a more formal greeting, use dobrý den. Now let's practice. Imagine meeting a friendly Czech person. What would you say? That's right, ahoj. Let's try it again. Ahoj. Perfect. You're already on your way to speaking Czech. Who doesn't love exploring local cuisine? Czech cuisine is full of flavors and traditions that will take you on a culinary journey. From hearty soups to sweet desserts, Czech dishes are a true treat for your taste buds. Let's unlock some delicious Czech food words that will tantalize your taste buds and help you navigate Czech menus with ease. You'll learn how to order your favorite food and drinks, all in Czech. Chleba means bread, a staple in Czech cuisine. Bread is often served with butter or as a side to soups and main courses. It's something you should definitely try when you visit the Czech Republic. Voda means water, essential for staying hydrated. Water is a basic drink you'll find on every table, whether you're at a restaurant or at home. It's always good to know how to order a glass of water. Kava means coffee, perfect for a morning pick-me-up. Czechs love their coffee, and you'll find many cafes where you can enjoy a cup of this delicious beverage. Whether you prefer espresso, cappuccino, or latte, coffee is always a great choice. Imagine yourself in a charming Czech bakery, where the air is filled with the aroma of freshly baked bread. Bakeries are the heart of the Czech community, where people meet and enjoy time together. It's a place where you can taste various types of pastries and sweets. Now, let's practice ordering coffee. When you enter a cafe, you can smell the freshly ground coffee and hear the sound of espresso being made. It's an experience you shouldn't miss. Kava prosím, which means coffee please. This simple phrase will open doors to the world of Czech cafe culture. Whether you're in Prague or a small town, these words will help you get your favorite drink. See? You're already ordering like a local. Czechs are very friendly and appreciate it when you try to speak their language. So don't be afraid to try ordering food and drinks in Czech. It's a great way to immerse yourself in the local culture and enjoy an authentic experience. Whether you're a food lover or just a curious traveler, Czech cuisine has something to offer. From traditional dishes to modern gastronomy, everyone will find something they like. So get ready for a culinary adventure and discover the flavors of the Czech Republic. Whether you're exploring the bustling city streets, where modern architecture blends with historical landmarks, or getting lost in the labyrinth of narrow alleys, where every corner hides a new discovery, Prague will enchant you with its unique atmosphere. Or venturing into the picturesque Czech countryside, where endless green meadows and charming villages stretch out, seemingly straight out of a fairy tale. Here, you can discover natural beauties that will transport you to a world of peace and tranquility. Knowing basic transportation vocabulary will be essential. Autobus means bus, a convenient and affordable way to get around the city and between towns. Buses are often equipped with modern amenities like Wi-Fi and air conditioning, making them an ideal choice for travel. Vlak means train, perfect for longer journeys. Czech Railways offers a wide network of connections that will take you to all corners of the country. Modern trains are equipped with comfortable seats, dining cars, and often entertainment systems, so your journey will be not only fast but also enjoyable. Letišta means airport, your gateway to and from the Czech Republic. Václav Havel Airport. Prague is modern and well-equipped, with many shops, restaurants, and services to make your wait for your flight more pleasant. Imagine yourself arriving at the airport in Prague, where you're greeted by friendly staff and modern infrastructure. You can easily collect your luggage and quickly get to the city center thanks to the efficient transport connections. Eager to start your Czech adventure, you can look forward to exploring historical landmarks, tasting local cuisine, and meeting friendly locals. Now, let's practice how to ask for the train station. Kde je vlakové nádraží? This phrase will help you find your way to the nearest train station, which is key for your travels around the Czech Republic, which means, where is the train station? This simple question will open doors to further adventures and allow you to easily navigate throughout the country. You're well on your way to navigating the Czech Republic like a pro. With this basic knowledge of transportation vocabulary, you'll be able to travel easily and efficiently wherever you go. Don't forget to enjoy every moment of your adventure and discover all the beauties that the Czech Republic has to offer. Whether you choose to explore the bustling streets of Prague, the picturesque countryside, or historic towns, the Czech Republic will welcome you with open arms and offer you unforgettable experiences. Part 5. Counting in Czech, from 1 to 3 and beyond. Learning numbers is a fundamental part of any language, and Czech is no exception. Master the basics. Jedna means 1. Dva means 2. Tri means 3. Imagine buying souvenirs at a local market in Prague. Now let's practice how to ask for 2 magnets. Dva magnety prosím, which means 2 magnets, please. Counting in Czech? You got this. Part 6. Practice makes perfect. Put your Czech to the test. Now that you've learned some basic Czech vocabulary, it's time to put your knowledge into practice. Try using these words and phrases in everyday conversations. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we learn. Remember, every little effort counts on your language learning journey. You're doing great. Keep it up. Part 7. Explore these resources. Your journey continues. Are you ready to take your Czech language skills to the next level? There are countless resources available to help you continue your language learning adventure. From language learning apps to online courses, you'll find a world of opportunities to immerse yourself in the Czech language and culture. Your Czech adventure is just beginning. Part 8. Until next time, saying goodbye in Czech. As we conclude our introductory journey into the Czech language, let's learn how to say goodbye. Na shledanou is a common way to say goodbye in Czech. Until next time, keep practicing and exploring the beautiful world of the Czech language. We hope to see you soon for more Czech language adventures. Part 9. Conclusion. Embrace the joy of learning Czech. Congratulations on taking your first steps towards learning Czech. We've covered basic greetings, essential food words, transportation vocabulary, and even learned to count to 3. Remember, learning a new language is a journey, not a race. Enjoy the process, have fun, and celebrate your progress along the way. Goodbye. Subscribe to the channel for more such language learning tips.